Have you ever felt like trading is destroying you psychologically? Losses in trading, self-doubt, and a constant desire to quit. Let me tell you something important. If you're at this stage right now, you're not a failure. You're being refined. Every trader dreams of consistent profits, financial freedom, and calm decision-making. But what no one talks about is the dark tunnel that every successful trader must pass through first. A stage filled with losses, confusion, psychological pain, and self-doubt. This stage doesn't mean you're bad at trading. It means you're in the process of gaining discipline. The painful stage has clear signs: emotional fluctuations. One winning trade brings euphoria, one losing trade brings frustration and despair. Financial pressure, your balance is shrinking. Confidence fades. Fear intensifies. Mental exhaustion. Too many strategies, too many indicators, too many opinions. And finally, an identity crisis. You start to wonder, am I even qualified for this? Understand this well. Every successful trader has gone through this phase. Why do you feel so burdened? Because beginners crave certainty, and the market doesn't provide it. Because you're trading alone, without guidance, without direction. Because social media shows profits and hides losses. And because life doesn't stop. Bills, responsibilities, pressures. The problem isn't the market. The problem is unrealistic expectations. Trading isn't a shortcut to wealth. It's a long-term test of patience and discipline. The fear of loss paralyzes your decisions. Greed drives you to take excessive risks. Losses feel personal, as if they're a judgment on your worth. Self-doubt slowly creeps in. Listen carefully. These feelings are normal. Weak traders run from them. Strong traders learn to control them. Most traders quit trading because they want quick results. They ignore risk management. They trade without a plan. They believe in overnight success. Most traders don't fail because they're stupid. They fail because they're not psychologically prepared for the pain. This phase builds something strong inside you: mental toughness, true discipline, humility, a survival mindset. Pain isn't punishment. Pain is preparation. One trader lost 3 accounts before learning risk management. Another went unprofitable for 2 years before starting to journal and slow down his trading. A third almost gave up after a significant loss until guidance saved him. Every success story includes failure. The difference is perseverance. Here are some rules to keep you going. Don't risk more than 1 to 2% on any single trade. Write down every trade and every feeling. Learn from someone who's ahead of you. Accept that mastery takes years. Protect your sleep, your body, and your mind. These rules don't eliminate the pain, they make it bearable. One day, something changes. You stop chasing quick money. You stick to the rules. You accept losses. You focus on the process, not the outcome. That's where consistency begins. If you feel stuck or discouraged or about to give up, remember this: the painful phase isn't the end. It's the beginning. The market punishes the hasty and rewards the disciplined. Endure the pain, and success will surely come. Subscribe and comment your biggest trading mistake. You're not alone.